My father has a company. He is 50 years old. He loves his work. I love my father a lot. He and I go to the park every day. We see animals and plants there. My mother goes to the park too. My mother and my father like to talk to their friends in the park. They have a lot of friends. I love them a lot and they love me too. Every day, we play games and sometimes we have a picnic. My mom makes delicious food like sandwiches and fruit juice and we eat there. I have class in the morning so we go to the park in the afternoon. Today, we are dancing in the park. My mom's friend has a dance studio and she is teaching her students in the fresh air. The students are really happy and love the class a lot. We are listening to the music and moving with the rhythm. I enjoy the dance classes a lot because they are fun and interesting. I enjoy the picnics too, because I spend time with my mom and dad. Sometimes they have a lot of work to do so we don't always spend time together as a family, and that makes me a little sad, but when we are in the park, we are together and happy. Oh, and we have a dog too. His name is Ralph. He is very excited and funny too. I play with him a lot and he makes me laugh. Sometimes I throw a ball for him to catch. He runs so fast. When he runs, sometimes I run too, and we have a race to see who will win. Sometimes he is faster and sometimes I am faster. The park is a very green place. There are trees and grass and there is even a small lake with fish. I love being in nature and experiencing life. Yesterday, we spent the afternoon in the park too. I saw some of my friends and we talked about school and video games and my dog. They liked my dog and he played with them. I gave my friends a cheese sandwich because they were hungry. They divided the sandwich in pieces and ate it and felt happy. They said thank you because they have good manners. At night, we went home and I was very tired so I went to bed. It was a very good day,